Right. So I came home and my fucking computer decided to not turn on, which is great. So I'm gonna show you people how to fucking fix your computer in real time so you can just see how easy it is. It's not science. So what you do is you grab your favorite bottle of wine. I got me some fortified. Ugh, deliciously fortified. This is an important step of fucking repairing computers. Because computers are bullshit. I fucking hate them. Alright. So, first things first. Oh, god damn it, that's good. Okay, so, this computer has a thing on it that tells you what's wrong with it, so it's really fucking easy. So you slide the panel off. Ugh, just fucking perfect. Alright, so this is a computer. Real complicated. It's not really. It's actually not that hard. So there's a thing down there that gives you an error code. So when I turn the computer on, it should tell me what's wrong with it. So I don't know if you can read that. It says A2. So what you do is you get your... Oh, so now it's just fucking working now. Must have been the wine.